to me and watch me crumble.
Showcasing stunning street appeal, a functional and well-considered internal floor plan, and a rear setting that's hard to beat, 16 Inigo Way presents the perfect family home that's sure to impress. I'm Lee Moore from Stroud Property. Welcome home. Perched on an elevated block in a tightly held and highly sought after pocket of Augustine Heights, this residence delivers lifestyle, comfort and convenience all in equal measure. Offering 4 generously sized and thoughtfully separated bedrooms, a dedicated study and 2 beautifully appointed bathrooms, this home has been crafted and built with family living in mind. At the rear, a spacious alfresco area overlooks a private backyard oasis, complete with a sparkling pool and elevated poolside deck and plenty of space for entertaining all year round.
We will come through. Could it be easy to start over?